Masanera, Wayama na Bushi. Okay? Anna can stand. Okay? I'm look. Why did you do that? You're not supposed to do that. That's not right. You should be responsible. You should think well. No, this is not good. Okay? But God, this is what God does. You know? This is what God does. God will have you, and then God will tell you that what you did is wrong, and you don't have to do it. Okay? So that's how God treats us. That's the thing you don't do for sure that I realized. Mungkin so the much you have na habla zero sticker like mukra I go bacon. Okay? But this does not happen with God. God will never fail you. And that's why you need God in your life more than you need anybody else. You need God more than you need your children. You need God more than you need your wife. You need God more than you need your husband. You need God more than you need anything in this world. He is the Alpha and the Omega. The beginning and the end. He is my Savior. My Redeemer, my Provider, my Father, my Healer, my Peace, my Love, my Guide, and Direction. He is truly all I need. He will never fail me, and He will never forsake me. Let's give a big applause. If you did not get anything from what I said today, remember in your mind that God will never fail you.
Why did I